want to tell you something, Alex. Tell me what happened, Mia. Actually, I feel very sad. Why do you feel sad? My friends laugh at me all the time. Why do they laugh at you? They laugh because my English is poor. Oh, I see. I try to speak, but I make mistakes. Do they laugh every time? Yes, they laugh almost every time. That is not good. I feel afraid. Afraid of what? Afraid of speaking English. But you must try. I try, but I fail. Do not worry. How do I improve? Start with simple present tense. Why simple present tense? Because it is very important. How is it important? We use it every day. Really? Yes. We use it to talk about daily life. Daily life. Yes. Daily life. Can you give examples? Yes. I give examples from spoken English course. Okay, please. See? We use simple present tense. Oh, I see. You talk about what you do. Yes, I talk about what I do. That is simple present tense. It looks easy. Yes, it is easy. Do you speak English with your family? Sometimes I speak English with my family. Why not? My family does not speak English. That is okay. Then how do I practice? You practice with friends, but my friends laugh. You can practice with me from spoken English course. Really? Yes, you can practice with me. Thank you. I help you. You are kind. We practice simple sentences. Okay. I listen. I go to school. I go to college. I read books. I read novels. I like football. I like music. You see, these are very simple. Yes, these are simple. You try more. Okay. I try. Say something. I drink milk. Good. Say more. I eat rice. Very good. I walk to the park. Nice sentence. I play with my brother. Excellent. Do you think I can easily improve? Yes, you can improve. Do you feel proud of me? Yes, I feel proud. Thank you. Keep speaking. Okay, I will keep speaking. What do you do in the morning? I wake up early. What do you do then? I wash my face. What next? I brush my teeth. What do you eat? I eat bread. What do you drink? I drink tea. Very good. Do you wake up early? Yes, I wake up early. Do you eat breakfast? Yes, I eat breakfast. What do you eat? I eat eggs. I do not eat eggs. What do you eat then? I eat rice and vegetables. Nice. What do you do after breakfast? I go to office. I go to college. Do you study hard? Yes, I study hard. I work hard at office. I feel happy when I study. I feel happy when I work. My teacher speaks English in class. Do you understand her? Sometimes I understand. Sometimes you do not understand. Yes, sometimes I do not understand. Do you ask questions? No, I feel shy. Do not feel shy. But my friends laugh. Forget them. It is not easy. I know, but you should try. Okay, I try. You speak well today. Really? Yes, really. I feel better. Good. Keep practicing. Thank you for your help. always. I feel more confident now. I am happy to hear that, but I still make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. My friends do not make mistakes. They also make mistakes. Really? Yes. Everyone makes mistakes. Then why do they laugh at me? Because they do not understand. I feel bad when they laugh. Do not care about them. But I care. Care about your progress. You are right? Yes, I am right. How do you practice English? I read every day from spoken English course. What do you read? I read short stories. Do you like stories? Yes, I like stories. I like poems. That is good. I read poems in my room. Do you read aloud? No. I read silently. Read aloud. Why? Because it helps you speak. Oh, I see. You should practice speaking every day. Okay, I will practice every day. Do you watch English movies? No, I do not watch. Why not? I do not understand. Watch with subtitles. I do not like subtitles. But subtitles help you. Okay, I will try. I watch English movies every week. Do you enjoy them? Yes, I enjoy them. I watch Urdu movies. That is fine, but I need to watch English movies too. Then, start from today. Okay, I will start from today. Tell me more sentences. I clean my room. Good. Say another. I write in my notebook. Very good. I listen to my teacher. Nice. Continue. I help my mother in the kitchen. Excellent. I play with my sister. Perfect. I sing a song. Wonderful. I draw a picture. Good job. Do you play games? Yes. I play football. I play badminton. Do you play every day? Yes, I play every day. I play only on Sundays. Why only Sunday? Because I work on other days. Oh, I understand. Do you play with your friends? Yes, I play with my friends. Do they speak English? No, they do not speak English. Then speak English with me from spoken English course. Okay. Now, I speak English with you. Do you eat ice cream? Yes, I eat ice cream. I eat chocolate ice cream. I eat vanilla ice cream. Do you drink coffee? Yes, I drink coffee. I do not drink coffee. Why not? Because I drink tea. I drink tea sometimes. I drink tea every day. Do you drink milk? Yes, I drink milk. I drink milk too. I feel happy when I speak with you. I feel happy too. You listen to me. Yes, I listen to you. You never laugh at me. I never laugh at you. You encourage me? Yes, I encourage you. You are a good friend. Thank you. I respect you. I respect you too. What do you do on Sunday? I go to the market. I go to the park. I buy vegetables. I play football. I cook food with my mother. I eat food with my family. I watch TV in the evening. I read a book in the evening. I sleep early on Sunday. I sleep late on Sunday. Do you travel to new places? Yes, I travel sometimes. I do not travel. Why not? I do not have time. You should travel. Yes, I want to travel. Do you like the beach? Yes, I like the beach. I like the mountains. I like the sea. I like the trees. Do you write a diary? Yes, I write a diary. I do not write a diary. You should write. Why? Because writing helps English. Oh, I understand. I write every night from spoken English course practice. What do you write? I write about my day. That is nice. You can try to. Okay, I will try. Do you listen to English songs? Yes, I listen. I listen to Urdu songs. I listen to both. Do you understand English songs? Sometimes I understand. Sometimes I do not understand. That is okay. I like soft songs. I like fast songs. I practice with you and I feel good. That is very good. Do you think I improve? Yes, you improve every day. Do you believe in me? Yes, I believe in you. Then, I believe in myself. That is the spirit. You teach me. Well, thank you. But tell me why is simple present tense so important? Okay, I tell you. Yes, please tell me. We use simple present tense every day. Every day. Yes, every day. How? We use it for daily life. Daily life. Yes. We use it for habits. Oh, habits. For example, I wake up at 7. Yes, that is a habit. You say I drink tea. Yes, I drink tea. See? It is simple, present tense. I understand. We also use it for facts. Facts, yes. For example, the sun rises in the east. Oh yes, that is a fact. Water boils at 100. Yes, that is also a fact. These are simple present tense examples. So we use it for truth. Yes, we use it for truth. Do we use it for future? Sometimes we use it for future. Really? Yes. For example, the train leaves at 9 o'clock. Oh, I see. The movie starts at 6 o'clock. So, simple present is also for timetable. Exactly. Why do you say it is most important? Because beginners need it most. Why? Because daily talk is in simple present. Daily talk. Yes. Daily talk. Like I eat, I drink, I go. Oh yes, I use it always. That is why it is important. Ah, I understand now. When you speak with friends, you use it. Yes, I say I go to class. When you speak with teacher, you use it. Yes, I say I do homework. When you speak at home, you use it. Yes, I say I help mother. See, you use it everywhere. Yes, I see. But why do I make mistakes? Because you do not practice enough from spoken English course. That is true. But now you practice. Yes, now I practice. Practice makes you strong. I believe that. Simple present tense gives you confidence. Confidence, yes. When you use it, you speak daily things. I see. When you speak daily things, you feel strong. Yes, that is true. My friends laugh. Because I forget rules. Do not care. But I feel shy. Forget shyness. How do I forget? By speaking more. Okay. I speak more. You make small sentences. Yes. Small sentences like I eat rice. I drink water. I go to market. I meet my teacher. I help my friend. I clean my bag. Very good. I feel happy now. That is good. I like simple present tense. Everyone likes it. It is easy. Yes, it is easy. And it is useful? Yes, it is very useful. Do I need to learn it first? Yes, learn it first. Before other tenses? Yes, before other tenses. Why? Because it is base. Base. Yes, it is foundation, like a house. Yes, like a house. Without foundation, house falls. Yes, without simple present, English falls. Oh, now I see. So, you practice daily. Yes, I practice daily from spoken English course. You make 10 sentences every day. Okay. I make 10 sentences. You speak them aloud. I speak them aloud. You write them in notebook. I write them in notebook. Slowly you improve? Yes. Slowly I improve. Can I tell you some sentences? Yes. Tell me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Good. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. Very good. I go to class at 9 o'clock. Excellent. I study with my friends. Perfect. I drink tea at 4 o'clock. Nice. I read a book at night. Wonderful. Do you think I grow? Yes. You grow fast. Do you feel proud? Yes, I feel proud. Thank you. Keep working. Okay. I keep working. Never stop. I never stop. So simple present tense is for habits. Yes, for habits. For facts. Yes, for facts. For timetables. Yes, for timetables. For daily talk. Yes, for daily talk. It is everywhere. It is everywhere. Then I must master it. Yes, you must master it. Now, I do not feel afraid. That is great. I feel strong. You are strong. I can speak English. Yes, you can speak English. I practice every day from spoken English course. Yes, you practice every day. I improve step by step. Yes, step by step. Thank you for your help. Always welcome. You are a true friend. You are too. I speak English now with joy, and I listen with joy. Simple present tense helps me. Yes, it helps you. I believe in myself, and I believe in you. This is how spoken English course ends with confidence, practice, and joy in learning English.